Hi, you guys, it's Miss Littleton, and I thought that I would take some time to share with you this website, which is navy.com/careers. If you are interested or consider entering the military, this is a great website to check out. As you can see, you can explore the website. We have several links that you can look at exploring the Navy. If you look at that, then there are several links you can check out. For example, life in the Navy. You could look at life on a ship. Let's see what that looks like. Kind of describe it for you, what to expect, learn more. Again, you can look at these on your own and read through it. You can also go back to the main page and come down and look at this section, which is by interest and aspiration. And it'll filter these. That means that you can check which ones that you like. For example, we've talked about interest, and interests are the things you like, things that get your attention, things you enjoy doing, your interest. And so let's just look at aspiration first and see what this is. Oh, so aspiration would be tell us about yourself, what you're good at, and what you want to do. So, for example, you can click maybe we know we have a lot of people who are interested in sports and fitness. So maybe you're interested in that, or that's an aspiration. And what do you want to do? You want to be a leader or a team member? You want to travel, be challenged? Do you want to teach or be in combat? So let's just go back up and let's say that you want to be a team member. So if we click on those two things and we click view, it will give you some jobs or careers in the Navy. It's going to take a little bit to come up, but it'll give you some careers um, that are in the Navy that you can explore while being in the Navy. Hopefully this will catch up here in a minute. And after it gets there, it will um, take you to a link where you can choose if you're enlisted or officer. If you're an officer, that means that you've had college or schooling, and enlisted means that you have probably only been in the military for a short amount of time and may not have had the schooling that others have had. So this is loading. It's going to take a little bit. It's definitely something that you can look at and click around and check out. Now, let's see what this is going to do. It might take us back to the beginning, which is that's where we're going. Navy.mil. If you want to get back to this, again, there's lots of links at the top. There's news and media links about from the Navy. Go to home, about, leadership. You can look at all the different leaders in America's Navy. News, stories. I bet you can't guess what's on there if we looked at it. What's in the news right now? Preventative medicine. And then you can go back. You wouldn't have to. You can go to media. You can look at videos. I really wanted you to see that. Um, Military careers and the link. I'm going to try this again. While we're waiting, I just want to tell you that I hope you're doing well and I miss you all so much. Hope you are getting something out of your assignments. I definitely didn't try to send you busy work. I wanted it to be something you could learn from. I'm going to choose interest this time, and then you can look at your specialties. These look a lot, some of these things look a lot like things we've talked about in career clusters too. Helping professions, things that are hands-on, that law and management. We've seen some of these things before. And then you can choose whether you'd be in the air, which is aviation, on a ship, on a submarine, on land. I know some of you think, oh, submarine, that sounds cool. So let's just see if you clicked on, if you were creative and you were on a submarine, and then you can go down and view. And hopefully it won't take it long to pull up. But again, it's loading. So I'll leave you with that task of looking through those. Again, this isn't necessarily work. It's just something that you can look at. Maybe fill in some time. Maybe some of you needed some information, more information on a career, and you could look at Explore Navy Careers. So again, I'm going to leave you with that. Just a way for me to touch base with you and give you some more information that is related to careers and things that we've talked to. Take care. Be safe. Have a great day.